Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I got two codes, P0133 and 0153. They're both for the front O2 sensors, saying slow response, and I know what they are because this car has a really rich tune on it. It was in the 12s under wide open throttle, and a naturally aspirated car should be about 13.5. So it eats through O2s. I need to get it retuned, and I know that. But anyway, knowing that they're more clogged than anything, I'm going to go ahead and remove them and clean them using a way that some people have used in the past and had success with. And so what it is just dunking them in gasoline. So you want to make sure that you're doing this in an approved tank, and also whatever gas is in here, obviously do not use, because it's going to be completely dirty after this. And so this is just the gas that I use for the lawnmower. I'll discard the rest of it when I'm done. And I put a zip tie around the two ends here so that they won't fall in, and we're just going to let it soak for a good probably overnight. You can see the level of the fuel was high enough where they're completely submerged. So I'm putting it in a nice space where it's cool, not in the sunlight, and not going to catch on fire with anything else like that. So I let these soak for a full 24 hours. I came back the next morning, I took them out, and as you can see, it looks like it's cleaned them up pretty good. And we're going to go ahead and clean them up a little more. This is what it looks like after they've just been completely soaked raw. And remember, now all the anti-seize is off of the threads too. So we took a rag and wiped it, and you can see all the junk that came off of them. And just look down in the holes, make sure that there's nothing clogging anything in there. And then, again, put some new anti-seize on here since it doesn't have any anymore from the gasoline. I went ahead and reinstalled these with the 7/8" wrench, plugged them back in, and then reconnected the battery. So at first everything seemed okay, but when you disconnect the battery and reset codes, sometimes it takes a minute for the check engine light to come back on. And at first it was driving around really well. I didn't really notice any problems, but sure enough, the check engine light did end up coming back on. So my personal thoughts for this, I would just get new O2 sensors once they are bad, because they could be bad for several reasons. They could be clogged, or they could be burned out if the car was running lean, or you just never know. So anyway, that's my thoughts on it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you've ever had any success in cleaning O2 sensors. Thanks for watching.